Okay. Look like in the guts of it. Get a little tibby tabby on it. Saving that for some patch panels on the floors and stuff. Okay. Should have brought my screwdrivers and shit out here. Checking off in there, see if there was any wires I'm gonna gut through. There's one little wire loom, I think that's for the tail lights. Oh, I can see daylight through there. Woo, good thing we stopped right there. Okay. Giant wire loom for tail lights. I didn't know what side it came through on. We do now. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to wire up all the tail lights and headlights and stuff to the Jeep. That's the plan anyway. I think I'm ready to pop this trunk and stuff off. Just go ahead and get off in there. Just gotta check out what I'm doing. What we're dealing with here. You can see now we got a little sunlight cracking through there now. That's the wire loom I was pulling out for the tail lights. Run that daylight. Okay, that's where the suspension is. That's a trippy little suspension. I gotta watch where the bracing is. I was hoping if it wasn't gonna look too funky, I was gonna leave this little backsplash off in there with the little fake roll bars up there. It might got a little metal in there, I don't know. But that's what I was gonna leave in the Jeep, hopefully. Man, it would be cool if I'd be able to use this roof somehow. I know they ain't gonna match up at all in the front. And I don't want this windshield in there, I want the Jeep windshield. And I'm doing it enclosed too. I'm not gonna leave it open like the hot rod. It's just gonna pretty much look like a lowered Willys Jeep. That's the plan anyway, hopefully. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing stripped down, get it pulled apart. We should have us a Jeep. I gotta figure out a name for it. It's gonna be a Mazda / Jeep. Y'all think of a name, man, leave it in the comments for me. Thank y'all for tapping in. We shall return.